few months ago, I did a massive men's hairstyle ranking video for straight and wavy hair, and I got a lot of comments to do the same for curly hair too. So today, I'm back with another ranking, but this time it is for the curly haired guys out there. Now, before I start, here's how I'm ranking them. I'm not just throwing opinions around, I'm using 4 key metrics: how many face shapes suit the hairstyle, how easy it is to get and maintain, how trendy it will be in 2026, and finally, how expensive or cheap it is to keep up. These are real practical things that matter when you actually live with the haircut, not just when you see it on Instagram. And just like last time, our ranking tiers are S, A, B, C, D, and F. Let's start with the curly shag hairstyle. If you've got curls, this might be one of the most flattering styles you can wear right now. The modern shag has come back strong over the last 2 years, and in 2025, it is everywhere. Because it works on almost every face shape, whether you've got a round, square, or a long face, and the shag's layered volume gives your curls that perfect natural movement without making your head look puffy or uneven. It frames your face beautifully, especially when it is slightly messy, which is exactly what curly hair does best. It is also surprisingly easy to maintain. You don't need daily styling or blow drying. Just a bit of curl cream, some leave-in conditioner, and you're good to go. Plus, since it is layered, it grows out nicely. That means fewer trips to the barber and less money spent maintaining the look. And in 2025, this hairstyle is everywhere. Celebs, TikTok guys, indie musicians, everyone's rocking a variation of the curly shag. It is that effortless, confident, low-maintenance look that screams cool without even trying. For all those reasons, it is solidly sitting in S tier. If you've got curly or wavy hair and want something modern but timeless, this is it. Next up, the curly taper fade. Now this one, I've got respect for. It is clean, it is classic, and it is easily one of the most balanced curly hairstyles you can get. The taper fade keeps your sides short and sharp, while the curls on the top stay natural and free. This style works for almost every face shape because it doesn't exaggerate your head's proportions. It highlights your curls without making them overwhelming. Maintenance-wise, it is fairly easy. You'll need regular edge-ups, but styling the curls themselves is simple. Just keep them moisturized and use a curl enhancer. In 2025, the curly taper fade is very much still in and will be relevant in 2026 as well. It is one of those timeless looks that fits both casual and professional settings. Whether you are at school, at work, or on vacation, it never looks out of place. It is not the flashiest hairstyle, but it is definitely dependable. I would rank this comfortably in A tier. Not perfect, but very close. Now let's talk about the curly mohawk burst fade. This one is bold, no doubt. You've got tight curls running down the center with the unique burst fade around the ears. It is a look that instantly stands out, especially if your curls are tight or coily. The thing is, it doesn't suit everyone. If you've got a round or heart-shaped face, it can look amazing, but for longer or square faces, it can throw off your proportions a bit. It is also not the easiest to maintain. You need to shape it regularly to keep that mohawk line clean, and if you don't, it quickly loses its edge. But when it is done right, man, it looks powerful. It is definitely trendy right now, especially with athletes and artists. It has got personality, but it's not universally flattering, so this one lands around B tier for me. Super stylish, but not if it fits your look and you're ready to commit to the upkeep. Next, I have something that is more divisive, the broccoli cut. You know the one, tight curls sitting on top with faded or shaved sides. It blew up during the TikTok era, and a lot of people loved it for its boldness. But not every trend deserves to survive. The broccoli cut looks great on some faces, but awkward on others. It mainly flatters round or oval faces, but if you got a longer or sharper face, it can make your head look awkwardly top-heavy. It is also not the easiest hairstyle to maintain. You've got to keep the fade clean every 2 to 3 weeks, and the curls on top need definition, or else they just start to look unkempt. And while it was trendy in 2025, it is fading out fast. So probably it will not be that trendy in 2026. People are moving towards more natural and versatile looks, like the shag and the wolf cut. The broccoli cut feels more like a meme hairstyle now than a style icon. So even though it had its moment, I'm putting this one down in F tier. It is just not versatile, not easy, and not cool anymore. Sorry if you still rock it, but it is time to move on. Next, I have the curly high top. This one's got roots in the classic 80s style, but with a modern twist. It is all about volume and clean lines. The curls stand tall and proud, with the sides neatly faded. The high top works best on guys with square or oval faces. It adds height and sharpness to your look. However, if you have a round face, it can make your head look a bit too long. It is not the easiest to maintain because that volume requires effort. You gotta keep your curls well defined and trimmed regularly to maintain that shape. But it is still quite trendy in 2025, especially among guys who love that retro modern vibe. Overall, it is sharp and stylish, but not low maintenance by any means. So I'm gonna put curly high top into C tier. Moving on to something more chill, the curly flow. This one's for guys who love movement in their hair. The flow is all about that natural wave that falls behind the ears, creating that afro-less, beachy, laid-back vibe. The best thing about it is how many face shapes it works with. Whether you've got sharp features or a softer face, the flow adapts easily. It doesn't need constant trims, just regular conditioning to keep your curls hydrated and bouncy. In 2025, this hairstyle is very trendy again, especially as men's fashion leans toward more natural and less structured looks. It is also pretty affordable to maintain, with no fades or frequent barber visits. For its versatility and ease, I'd give the curly flow a solid A tier. Next on the list is the curly man bun. Some people love it, others can't stand it. The man bun with curls is bold and expressive, but it is not for everyone. It looks great on guys with sharper facial features and longer faces, but on smaller or rounder faces, it can look a little unbalanced. It is also one of the more high-maintenance styles since you need long hair and constant care to prevent frizz and breakage. So I would say this one sits somewhere around D tier. Not bad, but not the move for 2026 unless it really suits your personality and face shape. Now, the curly wolf cut is like the messy cousin of the shag. It is wild, it is layered, and it is meant to look effortless, but ironically, getting it to look effortless takes some effort. The wolf cut adds volume around the crown and gradually tapers down, giving a sort of untamed rock star vibe. It works beautifully on curly and wavy hair because it enhances that natural bounce. Face shape-wise, it flatters most people, especially those with oval or longer faces. It is definitely trendy in 2025. TikTok is still obsessed with it, but you do need to maintain those layers and trim regularly. So it is not the cheapest or easiest style to manage. Still, it looks incredible when it is done right, so I would place it in A tier. Let's move on to the curly drop fade afro top. Now this one combines two strong looks, the drop fade and the afro. The fade curves naturally around the head, while the afro curls sit high and dense. It is an artistic and clean look that highlights the texture of your hair. It works best for round, square, or diamond face shapes, and in 2025, it is still a popular choice. Maintenance-wise, it is medium. You will need regular fading, but the top does not require constant attention as long as you keep it moisturized. It is trendy, stylish, and gives a bold character to your overall look. I would say it lands in B tier. not for everyone, but great if you pull it off with confidence. Next on the list is the curly bob. This one is definitely unique. Curls falling right around the jawline create this artistic, relaxed, and confident vibe. It is an uncommon choice among men, but it is growing in popularity, especially among creative types and fashion-forward guys. The only thing is that it doesn't flatter everyone. It works best on oval or heart-shaped faces. On wider faces, it can make you look puffier. And since you need longer hair, it takes time and patience to grow and style it. It is also not cheap. You need good products to keep those curls shiny and frizz-free. So, while it is stylish, it is not for everyone. I would say the curly bob lands in C tier. Not bad, but definitely a niche look that not everyone can pull off. Now, let's move to one of my personal favorite curly hairstyles, the textured surfer curls. This one gives that I just got back from the beach vibe. Soft, relaxed curls that sit naturally without much styling. It is perfect for wavy hair types, and honestly, it is one of the easiest curly styles to maintain. You just need a good salt spray and conditioner. That's it. It works on most face shapes too, and it is a big trend in 2025 and will definitely work in 2026, especially with the rise of coastal fashion and natural aesthetics. It is stylish, effortless, and versatile. This one is an S-tier hairstyle for sure. It is that perfect mix of looking natural, being easy, and staying trendy year after year. If you have curly hair and want to get curly flow, which is definitely worth getting, watch this video next where I have shared how to get it step by step.